I just need you back. Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today to share with you guys my 2-week review of this hair that I have in from SVT HAIR. And the lens I have in are 20/20, 18, and an 18-inch frontal. Yeah, you guys. So I'm back to tell you how this hair has been faring for the past 2 weeks. So let's get into it. So here is the hair, which I'm really liking a lot. It's still soft, still manageable, yeah. And it is a frontal, you guys, an 18-inch frontal. Okay, I did my first video was I was showing you guys how I made the wig, which I use a mesh wig cap, and I sewed the wig and the frontal, everything onto that. So that I shared with you. I'll leave a link to that below. A link to that video below in case you didn't see it. And now I'm going to show you how a little bit of how I plucked the hair. Okay, the hairline was very easy to pluck. All you do is just push back the hair, take your tweezers, and you pluck towards the front of the hair. Just thin it out a bit, make it more realistic. And here you can just cut some baby hair to lay out around your edges. This frontal is oh so nice. Okay, so that's how I plucked the frontal. Alright you guys, my daughter helped me pluck the frontal, and that's how we did it. Yeah. So here is the hair here, which like I said, I am liking this hair. It's been doing good. It's still soft, still manageable, and I'm not getting any shedding. And within the nape area of my hair, it's not bad. You know, when friction comes a little bit and I just rub back my hands through it, so I'm not getting tangling and stuff like that. No, I'm not getting that. So the hair is nice, and it's the did I mention it was the Indian body wave, you guys? I'm not sure if I did, but anyway, this is the Indian body wave that I have in, and the hair is very nice. Now I straightened it a bit. Didn't do all that of a great job with it, but I straightened it, and I like it. I really like the hair, and it does hold a curl. If you want to curl it, it does do that, but I've been wearing it straight. Yeah, and I like it. So here's the hair here, and let me just show you. It comes down to here on me. Yeah, let me show you the back. This here does feel longer than 20 inches. It says it's 20 inches, but to me it's longer than 20 inches. I don't know if because it's straightened why it's this long, but to me the bundle's 20 inches longer than 20 inch for me. And I'm 5'3", and you know I take all sorts of lengths within here that I buy, but this one, the hair length is longer than 20. Yeah, so the hair has been doing good. Like I said, it's very nice, and the frontal is nice. It wasn't too thick to begin with, so it wasn't hard to pluck, and it was very easy to pluck. And like I told you, I had my daughter help me, and she goes, "Mom, this frontal is nice. This is a nice frontal, Mom." Yeah, so she told me she knows, and she does hair also. Yeah. Alright you guys, just wanted to come back with a quick review to tell you guys how this hair is faring, which it is faring. I give it a 9 out of 10. Yeah, I give it a 9 out of 10. I'm not going to say 10 out of 10. I give it a 9 out of 10 because the hair is giving me life. It's nice, it's manageable, which I like. It's still soft. I'm not getting any shedding. I'm not getting tangling and any of that with it, which is good. And I like it. So I'm going to leave a link below to SVT Hair Company, so you guys can go over and check them out. Check out their bundles. And you know, like I told you, it's my first time getting Indian body wave. Yeah, and I'm really liking this texture, you guys. I'm really liking it. It's soft, it's nice, you know, it's silky. It's really nice, and it's not dry. I'm not having a dry problem with it at all. I love it. Indian body wave, you guys. You gotta try it. It's really nice. This texture is really nice. Yeah, so like I said, I'm leaving the link below so you guys can go over and check out the bundles. Check out the prices, very reasonable. You know, I aim for reasonable prices and good quality. That's what I do, and I come on and I share that with you guys. Alright everyone, remember as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me. Yeah, I need you beside me.